I am going to help you build a gaming PC. This is Schnödel from Schnödel Studios. My 4-year-old gaming laptop was good, not anymore. It's time to build a proper gaming PC. If you are in a similar situation and you do not want to dive into all those rabbit holes of hardware components, let me help you. I did all the research, so you do not have to. I will cover all the parts I chose, one video per component, why I picked it, what I considered, no fluff. Starting with the CPU, the AMD Ryzen 9800 X3D. 8 cores, 16 threads, and 3D V-Cache, which is exactly what we need. Designed for gaming, big FPS gains and modern titles. I looked at other processors, but honestly when it comes to gaming, Intel is totally cooked. AMD takes the win all the way. The 9800 X3D is the way to go. It runs cooler, more efficient, and provides a better gaming experience. Yes, there is the 9950 X3D, but that one is way more expensive, and if you're not heavily into productivity work, then that processor is probably not for you. Does that mean you cannot do any productivity work with the 9800 X3D? No, not at all. That processor is more than capable of that. That's part number 1. CPU, check. Next up, the GPU, the graphics card. Let me know in the comments if you agree with my choice of CPU and what GPU you think I'm going to choose. I'm pretty sure you will not be able to guess it. Thank you. Bye.